Good day, everyone. To continue with my drone exploration, let's begin with the drone maneuvers and how to maneuver drones using DJI Air 2S. So that is the command return to home. So return to home, as you can see it in this picture, it's the one with the pause button. So if you click the one with H, so that is for emergency scenario. So that is exactly what will happen if you will press return to home. So that's the basic command, a safety function also. The command ascend and descend is located at the leftmost joystick. So that joystick, you press forward, that is ascend, and you press backward, that is descend. So it's very simple, as easy as that. The command turn left and right is also in the leftmost joystick, so you just have to press left or right, then the drone will go to the left or go to the right. So as easy as that also. The command forward and backward is of the rightmost part of the controller. So the joystick there at the rightmost part. So you just have to press forward and backward. So as simple as that. Then your drone moves forward or backward as you wish. As a reminder, when in emergency scenario, press RTH, return to home for at least 3 seconds. So it will help you in emergency situations. So 3 seconds in the sense that it goes back to the original position. So the point of origin is where you first ascended your drone. So that's it for today, and until next time when we meet each other again.